Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change your default browser on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! So first of all we want to go to the settings and then into applications. Here we want to go to default apps and at the very top we should see browser app. We simply click it, and as you can see, if you would have other browsers installed, we would be able to switch between those, but sadly I only have Chrome installed, meaning I cannot really switch my browser to anything else. Though as I said before, if you would have any other application, like if you would download the Mozilla or the Opera GX or something, then they would appear here and you would be able to simply switch between those however you please. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.